It's literally raining all day today and it's horrible. So sorry for the bad lighting. Hey guys, it's Mackenzie here, and today we're doing a video about my acne. But if you knew me before YouTube, you would know that my acne was way worse beforehand. So now my skin has cleared up and gotten better looking and feels better looking. Wait, what? Feels better. And I'm just super thankful for the products that have helped me through this difficult time. So I'm just gonna talk about a few of them. The first thing that I would recommend is getting a nice moisturizer. So this moisturizer I use all over my body and stuff like that, and then I put it on my face one day and I was like, wow, this makes my skin feel so much better. I'm using it right now, so my skin actually does not feel, I'm not wearing makeup by the way, my skin just feels better. It looks glowy, but it's not oily, so that's good. And I was really impressed by this Jergens lotion, so I feel really tiny. I'm just like down here. The next thing that you guys have seen a lot from me is the Mario Badescu Rose Water. What's going on? Well, you know what it is. But yeah, I put it on my face and it just makes my skin feel a lot, it makes my skin feel like it can breathe more. So thank you. Another thing that I recommend getting or doing is a face mask. So you can get like the expensive kind or you can get like a cheap kind. But I love the Sephora face mask. I love the Dollar Walmart face mask. Like this one's a clay mask. It's in a plastic bag because it's everywhere. But yeah, it's like Freeman brand. And then we have Mario Badescu, which is amazing too. This one, Rose Hips mask. So yeah, I recommend getting face masks because they open up your pores, make your face feel like it can breathe. I do them before bed and just go to sleep with them. And when I wake up, my face feels a lot better, a lot more refreshed. My face feels a lot lighter and beautiful, and I just feel like the face mask did me wonders. The last thing, no, that's not the last thing. Another thing that I recommend getting is a good face wash. So I use the Mary Kay face wash. I just found it in my drawer one day, tried it, and it was good. It made my face, like, the acne go down, and it's like cleaned my skin lightly and gently, which it says it will do. So yeah, just like a sensitive skin cleanser. And then the last thing I have, which is amazing, like it has just cleared up my acne like 100% almost. Like this is just amazing compared to what I had before. And it is because of the Mario Badescu drying cream. This stuff is amazing, it really, really works. And it reminds me of the lotion, the drying lotion, if you've never seen that. This is pretty much like a cream version of that. But this stuff is really amazing. So I tried it one day and I was like, oh my gosh, this is insane. So yeah guys, that was today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to hit the big red subscribe button down below and click the bell beside it for a surprise from me at least 2 times a week. My room tour video should be coming this week, so stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button and the bell to know when that comes out. And yeah, comment down below and like this video if you enjoyed. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.